21 individuals on the Grand Princess tested positive. Among those were 19 crew members and 2 passengers.
We were watching MSNBC and we heard it and it was like, excuse me, I thought the passengers were supposed to be notified first. I immediately called down passenger services and said, you better get the captain aware of what's going on and get on the intercom. And he did come on about 10 minutes later, but the fact that we weren't told first made us quite upset and angry.
All passengers and crew will be tested for the coronavirus. Those that need to be quarantined will be quarantined. Those that require additional medical attention will receive it.